Luther King is so nice, and the people give peace and love.
This day we celebrate Martin Luther King, what he has done for this community and everywhere. And I just thank God for him. If it weren't for the police department, things would be so out of control. They doing their job in this community.
Happy Martin Luther King Day. He the person who gave a speech to help the country fight for a war.
Stop looking down. Dress it right.
All right. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can't count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 'Cause your brain is fried. Martin Luther King to bring us back, bring us all together. Fabulous, great day.
Happy Martin Luther King Day. He was a good person, in my words. That's what I think about him.
It's very fun, and I like the cheerleaders, and I love the Martin Luther King Day. He's a black African American man who was fighting for rights for all the other black Americans can be friends with the white people.
Martin Luther King Parade is basically like you're walking and showing off that you care about what Martin Luther King did. He basically stopped and helped everyone have their equal rights. I feel like this parade is like to show that you represent and you care about everyone's equal rights.
Now it's 4 a.m. and I'm back up popping with the gold. I just landed
Martin Luther King was he was wonderful and amazing. Representing Martin Luther King for his rights and for the rights for not being racist.
I have a dream. One day, even the state of Mississippi, a state sweltering with the heat of injustice, sweltering with the heat of oppression, be transformed into an oasis of freedom and justice. I have a dream.
Martin Luther King represents unity amongst all races, and just to promote togetherness and things of that nature. And you know, considering what we have going on today, I think this is a reminder to people to stick together.
Jesus' love is a bubbling over. Jesus' love is a bubbling over. Jesus' love is a bubbling over.
Good morning, everyone. Hope you're having a good day. I just love Martin Luther King because he helped the African Americans. We had a good time. Hi guys, my name is Audriel Williams, and I celebrate Martin Luther King's birthday today. A good guy. He brought white people and black people to the same school together.
MLK Day parade today. We're having a good time. The kids are having a good time. Everybody having a good time today. Happy birthday, MLK. That was a great man. Freedom. Yep. He paved the way for a lot of people, and that's great.
He changed the laws and made everything right. The parade was nice.
They do this every year, and it's really good because it gets the community out. Everyone comes together, and we remember how great Martin Luther King was. And we just get to show homage. It's pretty much an honor, you know. It's an honor to come out, and the younger ones, it's good they get to know the history and they get to know where everything came from. So I'm pretty just excited to be a part of it and to be a part of the school. So Gangrel Wrestling Asylum moved into Dania about 2 years ago. So we're a local wrestling school. If you know Gangrel, it's in the WWE, WWF. We do shows in the community, and we also train up-and-coming wrestlers. You know, the main goal is to end up in the WWE. It just feels good to be a part of something where you know the person actually cares, and you're learning it the right way and the correct way. So I love it. I'm liking the direction Dania Beach is going in. You know, each year it's a lot of improvements, and we're here for it.
good Martin Luther King birthday today, and have a good celebration, y'all. Everybody enjoy themselves today.
I think it was a great turnout this year. It was bigger than it has ever been from what I can see, with much more participation. So it was a great turnout this year.
It means so much to have events like this here every year, but this year was a better year. And I think every year that he produced his birthday, we communed together and enjoy one another. And that is what it's all about, love, happiness, and understand one another.
Dania Beach is the perfect place to see it, live it, love it.